Good Saturday morning and welcome to Beijing again. It's 10 in the morning and you know what that means? Times exercise. I already got in 19,000 steps and we are meeting up with this guy here. Gonna go exercise, get the cardio in. Yes, let's get moving.
Welcome.
Right here.
Hello.
Alright, you can choose. If you want high impact, we go box jump. If we go low impact, we got step ups. Okay, this is our third exercise. Our last exercise, we got crab walks right here. Put the bands above your knees and we go 1, 2. Stay low and do 2 steps on each side, okay? Just these 4 exercises, we're gonna be our lower body circuit, okay? So the group that's gonna be working here, we do these 4 exercises, 3 rounds. And we start with pull-ups. So we hold the handles tight to your chest, sit down, your hips drop to the ground, chest out, back straight, and we pull the elbows towards the floor and bring our body up, okay? This is the pull-up. Then we go for our second exercise right here. We got rows. Guys, it's Dragon Boat Festival, right? So let's row your butt. Chest out, back straight, and we pull the bands toward your rib cage. 1 leg front, 1 leg back, switch sides, and then we pull. We go to the third exercise. We're gonna be doing tricep dips. Put our hands on the bench, we bend down, and then stretch your hands again. And our last exercise, and we got mountain climbers, okay? Thank you. And right here, fast, short step. Forward, back stretching fast.
Welcome to the party. Great. Oh yes, let's get the party started. Nice music. Get a bit of a clubbing vibe going on here this Saturday morning. Let's get in some tricep dips. Nice to get some triceps burn. Time to get the pulse up with some mountain climbers. Favorite. Great to get the pulse up Saturday morning.
3, 2, 1,
Whew, next one. Oh, nice to get some back activation. Getting pretty sweaty in 41 degrees, that's for sure.
There we go. 3, 2, 1.
Let's get those mountain climbers in. 41 degrees outside. Great to get the pulse up and build up appetite for lunch later. Nice to mix up the exercise a bit. Definitely a bit different than going to the gym that I normally do. Nice. Nice to get some pressing in. Let's get those box jumps in. Oh, nice. Make sure you don't fall. We are here on this one. Nice to mix up the exercise a bit with some lunches.
Let's go, guys.
Nice, first part done. Let's get the next one.
Now we're mixing upper body and lower body. Now we're gonna add squat and press. So we go squat, press over. We go face pull to curl, okay? So we go right here, lean back, chest out, back straight. We pull the handles towards your ears. And then we switch and do a bicep curl right here. So it's 2 in 1. 1 and 2. We grab the bands, stand on the pallet stance, feet shoulder width apart, core tight, and we just rotate your arms, okay, right here. We go on one side, and then we switch on the other side. Exercise number 4 right here in the shadow. Okay, we go burpees, all right? Right here, we jump, go drop down, do a push-up, and then come back up, all right? And the last exercise, guys, is gonna be a running loop. We're gonna go running all around that circle, then come back from that side and run all the way back the squat press over there, okay? 5 exercises, and we're gonna do 3 rounds, okay? Any question, guys?
No questions, let's go. Face pull, yeah, nice. Let's get some core activation. Okay, guess it's burpee time. Nothing beats some burpees in the morning. Oh yes, let's go for a run. Pretty warm to run in, 41 degrees, but nice to get the pulse up. Nice. Ooh, let's get that core activation. More like a club than an exercise session. Oh yes, let's get that final push with the burpees. Ooh, next up, let's go running. Ooh, yes, we made it. Ooh, great job. Fantastic, great start to Saturday morning. Fantastic, great job. Ooh, nice. Now let's not forget to stretch and cool down a bit before we go for the coffee.
Okay, let's go, guys. Put your hands up. Go for a stretch. Just stretching your hamstrings. All right, slowly come back up and grab one leg and open your legs. That's also true, man.
Nice with some stretching.
We go one leg forward, one leg back, and hands up. Stay there, guys. And we go with the classic stretch.
Ooh, get some dancing moves in.
Get your hands behind your back. Open your chest. Go up.
Need to work on the balance.
Right here, hands up.
Now some good stretching. Woo, waves.
And hands behind your back. Open your chest. One more.
Definitely can feel this and it's nice.
And come back up. Here you go, hand behind your head. Look up and pull your elbow. Then we go 3, 2, 1, and that's it, guys. Thank you very much for joining.
Fantastic. Thank you for today.
All right, guys, we got one last challenge, guys.
Woo.
We go for a picture time.
Woo. Oh yes, that was a nice workout. The last one here in Beijing before I go back to Sweden. Always fun to catch up with this whole crew. Now we're gonna go and have some coffee and ask to burn off all that meat from yesterday with some morning cardio. So we just finished having some nice coffee there with the whole exercise group. Really nice to just wind down after exercise. But now I'm gonna go home and just cook some food. Actually have a lot of leftovers from last night's midsummer celebration. So I have like a whole mountain of meat and chicken. I'm just gonna get some black rice and probably some spinach and vegetables, do a bit of a healthy meal, and then enjoy and then continue editing. But I'm gonna keep it a bit short here today. Just wanted to share some of the daily exercise here and with some healthy food. But now I'm gonna end it here. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, just wanted to throw in a bit of a bonus clip actually before I leave. I'm flying to Sweden tomorrow, and one thing I really want to do before doing that is to take a swim in the Liangma River here in downtown Beijing. So I'm gonna meet up some people now and actually go for a swim, see if I can make it to put the camera down. So let's see you at the river. Amazing, so we got to the swimming spot. Let's jump in with the crew. Okay, let's jump in. I mean, swimming in Beijing, that's a first for everything, that's for sure. Fantastic. Amazing. Woo! Connie and Krelvitz. Yes, we made it. And the Krelvitz. Very refreshing, that's for sure. That was definitely a very refreshing end to the weekend. Now let's go home to Sweden.